Oh my Lord Jesus.
I bought this stuff the last about 5 years ago.
Huh?
And some of this, everything I bought, I'm using on this car. Check this out. This is a special fuel pump, 54 Corvette only.
Put it in the light. I can't see it, man.
Oh. Right there.
Okay.
AC. Check it out. Come here. Put on. It's right here.
How about that? So these are the parts you've been collecting over the years.
Yeah, I've been collecting all these different parts and just buying them.
So let me see. That's the fuel pump and it goes right in there, huh?
53, 54 Corvette
So
only.
you finally got a home for it.
I got something.
So where did it go? Oh, I see. It's melted.
Yeah, that one melted
Okay.
off.
I see now.
That goes right down
Okay,
there.
show me what else you're going to show
The
me.
carburetors here are melted.
Yeah.
See that?
Yes.
And they're in the trunk. I bought those 5 years ago.
Okay, let's go
They're
back
off
to
by
the.
2 months.
Let's go back to the. So there's the doors.
Yeah, because the other ones at home. There's a grill surround in here that's still good. These headlight buckets, and these are the type I bought here.
What is that?
That's
Oh,
$199 for just one. This was in the car.
Do you have any more?
No, I
I'll
gotta
be
buy
damned.
it.
So one was just laying in the car.
Yeah, it was. Laying
You had one and one was laying in the car.
Exactly, yeah. And they make this type and they make a different type with the air cleaner.
What's that
box.
chrome tank over there? What's that?
This is for the. I bought this too. Yeah.
Is that what's
Right
burnt
here.
up underneath the hood?
Let's go look. I'll show you.
Okay.
It goes right here.
Oh damn, there it is.
Like that. Same one. That's 54 Corvette only.
Oh,
It's got an original part number on the back.
wow, that's original stuff right there,
Yeah.
huh?
Original cap, everything.
Won't be long now.
Won't be long.
So does it roll, Tony?
Yeah, that rolls.
Where'd you find that wheel? That looks like an original
It
wheel.
is. We just put a tire on it.
Oh wow. There it is, guys. 54 Corvette. Have you sat in it yet?
No, it's too itchy. I had the top up, and the convertible top is all there.
The frame, at least.
The frame is there.
Yeah.
The canvas is burnt.
Well, the frame looks no rust on the
No
frame.
rust at all. It's totally straight.
There it is, Tony Ford. Your dreams coming true. You know, Tony used to collect these parts, and you got door shells and everything. Yeah, he's got door shell. He's been collecting these. I remember, what'd you pay for those carburetors years ago? $1,800, and I thought, you know, that's a whole lot of hope when you're buying just carburetors and hope. That's like buying carburetors for a Cobra and someday owning a Cobra, right? Who would have thought? I never thought you'd find one. Well, that's an incredible story, Tony Forty. And you got people all over wishing you luck on this one. And a lot of people offered help. What is that? Did this car have air conditioning?
That's just a heater.
Oh, okay.
This is all.
Did they come with AC or no?
No, they didn't.
Okay.
They had a radio and all of that.
Alrighty. There it is. Putting it in the storage container, hiding it. With all the rare parts in the trunk.